Hi everyone. Today we can discuss about the new topic, that is biological oxygen demand, which is also known as BOD. What is BOD? And let's discuss. As we all know that the species in aquatic ecosystem needs dissolved oxygen to survive, right? Because it can't take the oxygen directly from the atmosphere. So it is converted into dissolved oxygen format. And that dissolved oxygen is used by the microorganisms and the plants and animals, which is used this dissolved oxygen for their activities. So if consider the case, if there is some biological waste or organic matter present in the aquatic ecosystem, then the microorganisms which is present in the aquatic ecosystem need some energy to decompose that matter, right? To decompose that organic matter or biological waste, this microorganisms need some energy. From where it gets? It also gets from the dissolved oxygen. The microorganisms using this dissolved oxygen to decompose the organic matter or the biological waste. So that particular dissolved oxygen, that is amount of dissolved oxygen which is required by the microorganisms such as bacteria to decompose or degenerate organic matter or biological waste is called a BOD, that is biological oxygen demand. In short, there are lots of biological waste or organic matter in an aquatic ecosystem. The microorganisms in an aquatic ecosystem needs some energy or some dissolved oxygen to decompose that particular organic matter or biological waste. That amount of dissolved oxygen which is required by the microorganisms such as bacteria to decompose that organic matter is called the BOD or biological oxygen demand. And as you all know that the BOD is expressed in ppm, that is parts per million. Hope you guys are clear. And then here it is an important point regarding the BOD. That is, the BOD measures amount of organic pollution present in an aquatic ecosystem. Is it right? The amount of organic pollution. The BOD measures the amount of organic pollution present in an aquatic ecosystem. That is right. Because if this point is explained below, here it is, the more biological waste in an ecosystem, which means that higher the BOD. How? If there is more biological waste in an aquatic ecosystem, more dissolved oxygen is needed by the microorganisms or bacteria to decompose that biological waste, which means that more dissolved oxygen, that is the amount of dissolved oxygen is called BOD. The more dissolved oxygen, which means higher the BOD. So when there is more biological waste in an ecosystem, the BOD will also higher. Okay, which leads to which lower the dissolved oxygen which is needed by the plants and animals, which is also right. Why? Because higher the BOD means higher dissolved oxygen which is used up by the microorganisms to decompose that particular biological waste, which remains only a small amount of dissolved oxygen in the aquatic ecosystem. That small amount is using by the plants and animals to survive. So this will badly affect the aquatic life as well. Hope you guys are clear. In simple words, the more biological waste in an aquatic ecosystem means more dissolved oxygen needed by the microorganisms to decompose that waste material. So higher will be the BOD, which will lower the dissolved oxygen for the plants and animals to survive. Okay. that will badly affect the aquatic life. And here is a picture regarding the discharging of wastewater from the factories. So, the from the wastewater, there are lots of organic matter, right? There is lots of organic matter and biological waste present in this wastewater. So, the microorganisms in the aquatic life need more energy or more dissolved oxygen to decompose these organic matter. So um, that will reduce the dissolved oxygen which is used for the activities of plants and animals. That will affect the aquatic life. So here it is the solution, that is should treat the wastewater before it discharge into a water resource. Hope you get it. If we treat the wastewater before discharge into the water resources, which will lower the BOD, which will lower the BOD. How? When treating the wastewater, the organic matter and biological waste present in the wastewater will reduce. That will automatically reduce the dissolved oxygen for the microorganism to decompose. That will reduce the BOD. Okay. So, to reduce the BOD, should treat the wastewater. So, at last, we can conclude that there is an inverse relationship between the BOD and the water quality. BOD and the water quality. The higher BOD, which means that lower the water quality. Why? Because higher BOD means what? Higher the organic matter or more amount of biological waste present in the aquatic ecosystem. So more amount of dissolved oxygen which is needs by the microorganisms to decompose it. So that will affect the aquatic life. That will lower the water quality. Hope you guys get it. Higher the BOD means lower the water quality. Then what about the other case? Lower the BOD. Lower the BOD means lower dissolved oxygen required by the microorganisms to decompose the waste materials, which means that higher water quality. So, for a pure water or for fresh water, the BOD content will be lower, and for a polluted water, the BOD content will be higher. Hope you guys get it. Thank you.